everybody, here we go with lecture number 8 in the Energy and Living Systems series. This is Cellular Respiration Part 4, the electron transport chain. And as I mentioned before, this is really where the money comes from for the electron transport, from cellular respiration, producing a ton of ATP. So where does it take place? Well, first it's the final stage. It takes place within the mitochondria in these little membrane-bound proteins called the cristae. Okay, it involves the oxidative phosphorylation and a big part of ATP generation. So within that mitochondrial membrane, you'll have these proteins, these different colored proteins here. And you have the inner space and the matrix between. So what happens is the electron transport chain contains these linked proteins, and these proteins are electron carriers. And they alternatively are reduced and oxidized as they accept and then donate electrons delivered by NADH and FADH2. So what do we see here? We see the electron is being dropped off by NADH. It's flowing through these different proteins, and finally is accepted by 2 hydrogens and a half a mole of oxygen to form water. In the process, a bunch of H+ ions are pumped out. So oxygen, as I mentioned before, is the final electron acceptor right over here, along with some hydrogens to form water. And then ATP is generated when these H+ ions, which are pumped out, then start to flow down this ATP synthase. And as it flows down, this little thing kind of spins around, almost like a turbine, and it generates ATP. Okay, a very complex process, just really kind of horrifically shortened and summarized there. So, but I hope you got something out of it.